Hi guys, welcome back to the Poke Hunting TCG channel. Today we're on day 44 of a pack a day till we pull an Enchanted, and it's Azurite C. Right, so we've got a Poo Pirate ship on the rare with Stitch on the rare and Mullins for the foil. So no Enchanted, the search goes on. Right, don't forget, head over to the 100 subscriber giveaway video for your last chance to enter to win one of these 3 slabs: Glaceon V-Star PSA 9, Blastoise PSA 9 or Bulbasaur in Japanese PSA 10. Cheers guys, bye now.